The KmboxNet is your executor. It translates digital commands into the final physical step of moving the mouse to aim. This is aimbot devices for cheating. It has a notorious name call, KmboxNet. KmboxNet is a USB-based keyboard and mouse emulator. It is commonly used for in-game macros and script execution. With KmboxNet, you can use a single mouse to simultaneously control multiple PC devices. The KmboxNet emulates physical hardware input rather than software-based input. The mouse movement signals originate from what appears to be a real USB mouse device. When movement commands are received, the KmBox device simulates physical mouse movements at the firmware level. It then transmits standard HID mouse movement signals to other PCs connected to the KmBox. The operating system of the gaming PC interprets these signals from the KmboxNet as genuine mouse input and forwards them to the display system. As a result, the game processes the incoming mouse data, naturally adjusting the player's perspective and accurately aligning the crosshair to the pre-calculated enemy position. Today, I'll guide you through setting up KmboxNet and getting the aimbot working successfully. That welcomes to join our Discord server. All our DMA products are available shipping to worldwide with Taobao and Sugargoo store. After receiving your KmBox, please connect your mouse to the blue cable, which ones come with the packages. And then, if you also want to use ESP alongside an aimbot, then a DMA card is also essential hardware. You can even use wireless mouse to connect to your KmBox. In this video, I am using the Razer Viper V3 Pro mouse. Now we need to connect the KmBox cables to two different PCs. Then connect my mouse and keyboard to the KmBox, like showed in the image above. The left one is for your second PC, and the right one is for the main PC. Now, connect the end of the cables to your PC's USB port. Since many viewers don't understand Chinese, I'll explain it again here. On the right side, there are 3 Chinese characters. Simply, just connect this port to your main PC, and then another side is for second PC. Now, plug your mouse cable into the bottom of the KmBox. If you want to use the keyboard to aimbot, you can also plug in your keyboard. There are 2 interfaces you can choose. That's up to you. Now, plug both ends of the USB cable into the 2 PCs. And another port. You can see the KmboxNet is showing some screen. I'm going to test it, turn on my computer. Open the control panel on your computer, then locate Network and Internet. In that window, click the Change Adapter settings. Set the IP and mask to be in the same network as the KmBox shown, and no gateway. The port and UUID you guys don't have to worry about, it will enter in the cheats software. Now we can turn on our cheat software and correctly configure the KmBox port in the cheat software. It's important to note that all DMA cheat software uses the same method to configure KmBox aimbot parameters. You can follow my approach as it will definitely work for you. Don't forget, join our Discord server and subscribe, comment, share this video. Now, let's into the game. You can find the KmboxNet configuration parameters within the cheat software settings. Simply enter the IP address and UUID displayed on the KmBox screen. This cheating paradigm, which integrates DMA memory access, KMBox hardware emulation, and off-system data computation, ranks among the most advanced and detection-evading methods, constituting a major obstacle for anti-cheat mechanisms. Just like that, your aimbot is now active and safely. The cheating setup combining a KmboxNet and a DMA card does indeed exist within high-end hardware cheating communities. It is a sophisticated scheme that seamlessly fuses these two technologies. Its core principle is to use the DMA hardware to stealthily read data from the computer's memory and then leverage the KmboxNet device to execute physical mouse movements, thereby enabling highly covert aimbot and ESP functionalities.